Why doesn't screen mirroring work on Netflix? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons why screen mirroring does not work on Netflix. Let us now go through a few of them. First, digital rights management. Netflix uses DRM to protect its content. Many devices block screen mirroring to prevent unauthorized sharing or recording. If you try to mirror Netflix, the screen might go black or you'll have an error message. Second, device compatibility issues. Some TVs or streaming devices may not support Netflix content via screen mirroring due to software limitations. Older devices may lack the necessary codes or DRM support. Third, network configuration. Both your phone and TV need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for screen mirroring to work. Network restrictions or firewalls might block screen mirroring. And fourth, app or OS restrictions. Certain operating systems or Netflix app versions might restrict mirroring capabilities to comply with DRM policies. So these were a few issues on why does not screen mirroring work on Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.